Okay, so we just found coke ovens. Me and this lovely woman we have been boots on the ground traveling for the past couple of days. We went to Niagara Falls and then to Watkins Glen State Park, and on the way back I just randomly searched on Google ruins, and this one was just kind of on the way, a little bit out of the way. This is coke ovens, 200 of them apparently in the area, and this is different than what I'm used to. This is the kind of shit that Mark has down in Alabama. Similar, collapsed inside or all filled in with brick ash. I'm just gonna record our way through here and see what we see. Cause damn. Got metal coming out. Transition. Break to supposed rock. Oh, this one is all collapsed and overgrown. Damn. Look. So there is a narrative of this place. Do you want to read it?
Oh, sure.
From your phone? That's the supposed narrative, but there's a plaque on the top over there.
Okay, so Cherry Valley Coke Ovens. Believed to have been constructed in 1866, this facility is one of the largest of its kind in the nation. The complex of 200 ovens was erected by the Leetonia Iron and Coal Company, later known as the Cherry Valley Iron Works, to supply fuel for pig iron producing blast furnaces that stood south of this site. The man-made Beehive ovens were used to transform hard coal into coke. The coking process burnt impurities out of the coal. The end product, coke, was the best fuel source for the furnaces that were used to manufacture iron and steel. The facility discontinued operations in the early 1930s at the height of the Great Depression.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's the official narrative. One can believe whatever you want, but I have to look at this stuff. Here it's all crumbly, coming apart. That's inside. This one, they didn't want people inside here, but I might go inside one of them. This one has like the... Look here. The back one looks kind of messed up.
Do you want me to take it in? I can go in.
Sure.
I doubt it'll...
Look at the back ones. The camera can see pretty well up there, I think.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Are they all melted?
Yeah.
I'll come inside too. I don't think it will collapse. Oh yeah, look at those. Wow, yeah, that's good shit right there. Oh my gosh. That shit.
So... cool. There's different textures here.
Yeah.
But yeah, down by the bottom, that's a really crazy texture. Let's see what it feels like. Wow. It's really smooth, like bubbly and also melted.
Wow. Different textures, and up on top they're all just cooked. Wow.
Oh, cool. Then we got some larger blocks on the floor here.
Yeah.
Some of this is really, really...
Here's a stamped one, a big one. Can't see the stamp, but or what it says, but it's...
Stone Cleo? Stone Cled?
Stove. Yeah, and here, look at this shit. This stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And here you can see how the bricks really look like rocks at this point here.
Yeah.
It's pretty much unrecognizable as brick. but it is brick.
Yeah, we know. We already know it's brick, so you will never build this like this. Wow. Okay.
So this is what brick looks like when it melts, for anyone who's wondering.
Mm-hmm.
For those who say that you can't melt brick.
Yeah.
Certainly can. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, spiders.
Oh, spiders. Oh,
Cool.
hello. I'll take it. Thanks. Okay, some more bricks doing that. There's one here completely collapsed. You can see the bricks up there. Turn into that. Another one. Yeah, brick ash. They call it dirt and clay and stuff in geology. Yeah, a tiny little piece right there. Wow, this one still turned into a block, but it still has the viscous kind of brick lines in here as it compressed. Look here, another compressed brick stuck in there. So brick turning into this. It's not natural, it's not rocks. Usually the archways stay as brick, and then between they turn into a supposed rock. Big one right there, also a stamped one. Can't see what it says, full of dirt inside. Also metal coming out. It's metal hooks coming out of most of them, not this one. They're just straight, but the other ones have hooks like this. All collapsed. Oh wow, suddenly a sideways brick there. Shit. One in here, turning into that. Those hooks again. All full with dirt and supposed dirt, and then in between here, big ass rocks, blocks. Wow. Big blocks. There's a lot of mosquitoes up in here. Fuck. Just turn it to brick ash. It's like that. Looks like the bottom has this melted texture again, like we saw in the one we went inside. Collapsed. Brick ash. That. Oh my gosh. It's a spider heaven in there. I don't like spiders as much, but I just want to show you guys. Yeah, the bottom has this melted. I'll show you first the spiders. Like that. If you say bricks can't melt, well, you gotta open your eyes. And they're not supposed to do that just by cooking some coke, just on fire and heat. They're supposed to withstand this kind of heat. Look here. Some metal here now. I don't have a magnet. It looks maybe just shiny melt. maybe metal, I don't know. All has this melted at the bottom. Another one there with a tree on top. So whatever, however old the tree is. So it looks like there. Okay. And one here with tree inside. So 2 big trees inside. For whoever know how old these trees can be. Okay. Wife went over there. Let's go. Follow. They say they closed this place at dawn, but that's not yet, right? We have some time. Still 6 hours to get home from here, so we're gonna sleep in the van another night. In the area. We are fucking 15 or 20 minutes away from East Palestine in Ohio, so we might get choked to death. Okay. So there's big block walls.
"999 Cherry Valley Road."
This address?
Yeah.
Okay. 999 Cherry Road. So here too, under the growth, we have big blocks. And the coke ovens are just all the way. There's a man walking his dog over there. I don't even know which way to go. This way?
Sure.
Okay. So there's another one there. I think I'm gonna go inside this one, hold on. I'm just gonna check out the bottom texture. Look at that. It's obviously melted. Oh my gosh, that's good. Okay. Getting out. Someone's been going up here too. Hold on, I go check real quick what's up here. Watch out to not fall down in this shit. Don't seem to be anything of interest.
Oh shit.
Yeah, watch out for they might collapse. We should go down. You can see all the holes here. Oh my god. Oh, that's fun. So here seems to be a little bit bigger.
It says this place was forgotten for nearly 50 years until some locals decided to come in and clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And prevent it from collapsing further.
Okay. Oh my gosh. See guys. See the bottom. Very similar to the stuff in Alabama. If you haven't seen Mark's video. Obviously it's all melted brick at the bottom here. And also mosquito overdose. Oh my god. One there. Yeah. Tons. Big tree on top. Forgotten for 50 years, but what is this tree doing there? How old is it? I don't know, I can't date it really. I'm not an expert on that kind of stuff. They're all the same, very melted at the bottom here. I mean, the bottom is like so-called mountain, just red. And then it's a melted brick, and then it's brick. It's interesting. See, 3 layers here, there. Fuck, I'm being eaten alive here. So they stop here. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video and then add more to it when we come over there to the new place. Okay, be right back. Okay, here are some more. Overgrown. Same with as the start with the hooks here on these in slightly better condition. Different style of bricks, smooth, and this has grooves in it for some reason. Big blocks. Same 3-layer melt. Between here, you see here and there, inside here it's just gone, and then here it's intact again. Very strange. And this big block wall on either side seems to go like all the way here. Wow. All brick ash. Hooks, this one is bent inwards compared to this one. Oh, this one had big blocks in here. So warm and sweaty today. Big tree, so you got one here opening, overgrown, and then a big tree in here. Pretty big tree. Front collapsed, brick ash. Also a bent hook. Also a bent hook here. A little bit sideways and stuff. Don't know what it means. Just pointing it out. You can see in this one the lines, the brick lines. Yeah, I don't think you build like that. Damn, good place. Recently collapsed. That's why you should be careful going inside these things. Look at this shit. Oh my god. Oh, we got on the other side too here. There is one at least. Here too? Oh, they're hidden. Oh, wow, okay. So we got a whole bunch, as you can see here on this side. Big tree right in front. This archway just turned into block for some reason.
Yeah.
None of the other ones did so far. But you have them here too. See? Very strange. That's like across this.
Double-sided.
Yeah. So this is the big block wall here and here. It goes down. And on the other side you have a whole bunch of them as well. Shit. So, I mean, they said there were 200 of them.
Oh wow, keeps going and going.
Oh, how do we get to the other side? Across this tree? Is that the bridge? Almost. Oh, look here. That's dangerous. About to fall over. Yeah. Gotta be careful when going inside these ruins. Yeah, so they're all like the front facade of this supposed coke ovens are pretty much okay, and then in between and above they just go black. Oh, yeah, look there. Spooky.
Ooh, that one looks so spooky.
Here's one. On the pick inside. I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, it's very overgrown. We got a whole bunch. And you wonder why is this one is in that condition and that one is just mangled, you know. These ones over there, pretty good. And some of them are just like that, you know. Suddenly they're just completely mangled and collapsed, so guess it has something to do with the melt. An X Factor. This one is like twisted a little bit here. Look, this part. They got really beat up. Been on very old tree here. Very big, you can't see it the same as my eyes, but it's been a big tree here. So how long has this place really been abandoned? This one also turned into blocks. Wow. Overgrown.
I see some metal pipe down there.
Metal pipe?
No, I'm not gonna
Wooden stick.
Okay, just this.
It's a stick. I don't want to cross right here. I don't know if it goes around here. Possibly. There we go. Shit. Okay, cool. So they're in here too, just overgrown. Here is more. Again, big trees right in front here. Even though you can't see the scale, but there's big trees right in front of the entrance here, or opening. Were these at some point repurposed into coke ovens? Maybe, but is that the original purpose of these? Or something else? Do they go in here as well?
That's some sort of
Big blocky
boundary, almost like a
wall.
little mini tower thing. Yeah.
And in here, there's a path here. Let me see quickly. Nah. Something else. Not of interest. That's of interest. Okay. Well, we can go behind these two and see. Just in case there's something else and hidden. We don't have to see all 200 of these things. They're pretty much all the same. Some really big trees here. That one. Big block. Oh yeah, they are on this side too. And we have also, see, usually when there's like a bunch of pockets like that, there is more shit. So we gotta wall here. We're gonna see where it leads. Blocky wall with a lot of mosquitoes. Fuck. Metal beam. Oh shit. Do not cross fence. I guess it makes sense here because these coke ovens, supposed coke ovens, have holes in them in the top. You don't want to fall through or collapse them. That just leads in here. I don't think there's more shit in here. Unless this is something. What's this? There's two piles here. Nah. I'm not trying to die today, sorry. Yeah. Let's do it. That's fun though, to have an extra little cool boots adventure on the way back. So we have 3 locations now. Videos will come this weekend, hopefully. I'll put it together, edit everything. This one I might just upload as a raw footage though, and premiere it or something, I don't know. See what people think. Yeah, I saw it. Big giant block. Just chilling there. Why? Some piles of dirt.
I'm surprised all the locals didn't come and scavenge the bricks in the 30s during the Great Depression, because there have been things where it's like, well, what happened to the structure? Oh, it was the Great Depression, so everyone came and picked all the bricks apart.
That's what they did at all the other locations, supposedly. Vandals and scavenging and dismantling to sell for scrap and shit. Yeah, there's some funny narratives, especially from Watkins Glen and stuff. There's some plaques with, here's an iron pipe, metal pipe. Oh my god. So, pretty big metal pipe just laying around. These are very overgrown here. I'm not going inside there because I'm gonna be eaten alive. I'm not gonna have blood left if I go inside, I think. Shit. So here from that side.
Whoa.
What?
You hear that dirt and crumbs falling just now?
Yeah?
There might be an animal in there.
Something living inside? Maybe a raccoon? I mean, it's a nice hidey hole. Except that you'll be eaten alive, shit. I don't think there's anything in there. I don't know.
It was weird, just as we walked by, there's a bunch of stuff there.
There's a brick just right there. Collapsed. Yeah. I don't want bricks in my head. Oh shit. Yeah, there's that mangled one. Okay. That's dangerous, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like barely holding on. It's gonna fall down one day. Some heavy rain and shit. It's just gonna pour down. On there. The butterfly.
Oh, blackberries.
Oh!
Num num num. Raspberries, blackberries. Here.
Mm. Thanks.
Wow, look at this.
Cool. Okay, guys. Just found this shit on the way.
Oh, we better pick as many as we can carry, I think.
Yeah. Someone's at a shooting range.
American.
Okay, so we found some of this. We did this in Norway as well in August. Found a whole bunch. We just paused whatever we were doing and ate these things for like 30 minutes.
Once you pop, the fun don't stop.
Yeah.
So good.
Here, this wild grown blackberries. They're yummy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay, so from coke ovens to blackberry picking. That's how this channel goes, I guess. Just random documenting a little bit of evidence and vlogging, I guess. Cool. Yeah, here we can see that block wall better. And all this shit right there. Damn. That's cool. Oh, cool. I can take photos as I film. I didn't know that. That's handy. Blocks and collapsed. Here again you see pretty big trees in front.
Time for another train derailment?
Oh yeah. Here, big tree in front of this one. Collapsed. I have no idea how to get back over. But shit. Do you hear the train? Yeah, if you didn't catch it, we are like 15 minutes away from the derailment zone in Ohio, East Palestine. 15-20 minutes, so. And they still have problems with the contamination of the air and water and stuff, and it's basically collapsing because the value of the properties are like zero and stuff, and people are sick with rashes and respiratory diseases and whatever else, pain, headaches. It's no bueno. Here it sounds, or looks fine though, it's okay. Oh, look what my sweetie got me. Nom 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 nom. Yum. Okay. All right. Yeah. So that's the coke ovens in this area. I don't know if I'm gonna edit or just upload raw, but I'll figure it out. Some blackberries and some thoughts. So I'm gonna end the video, so thank you for watching and take care, and don't eat natural flavors, read the ingredients of the shit you buy. Okay, bye.